Welcome back to our Icon of the Seas journey. This is day 7, our last full day of cruising. And we are headed out to a perfect day at CocoCay. CocoCay is Royal Caribbean's private island. This private island owned by Royal Caribbean is in the Bahamas. It has 13 water slides, including Daredevil's Peak, which is the tallest water slide in North America. There's several beautiful beaches such as Chill Island and South Beach, along with Oasis Lagoon, and it has the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. In addition to the water park, there's other fun activities such as zip lining and other water sports, but we chose to just have a relaxing day and Hideaway at the beach and the pool. We are looking for Hideaway Beach, which is an adults only pool and beach section. Paid $69 per person for this location. It's adults only location. You can see you get lounge chairs and an umbrella and access to this beach. And there's also free sections as well so that you don't have to pay for. The Hideaway has a couple of casual dining options. One is the Slice of Paradise, which offers pizzas and empanadas and other snacks. And the other is Hideaway Hut, which has like burgers, hot dogs. Hideaway Hut also has this delicious crispy chicken sandwich that we were told about and that we must try it, and it was delicious. And also they have a funnel cake, which is a must try as well. Hideaway Beach has 2 swimming pools, and we hung out at the infinity pool with the swim up bar, which had a party vibe. The DJ was on point.
I'm gonna get you right. I bet you won't forget.
was the end of our perfect day at CocoCay as we headed back to prepare for our last dinner together on the cruise.
Would you be my girl?
Hey, cause you look like you ain't know the words on that one, man. Oh, look.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome our chefs out over here.